Hey guys, it's Caleb with Caleb Sketches. We're back at the Watts Dam. We're going to get out here and do some jig fishing and use some live minnows. Hopefully we get some good ones. We're just going to get out here and have a good time. Oh, I just got hit on the bobber. Yep, we got something. It's still there. Come here, buddy. Small little yellow bass. I think we just got a bite. It's right there. It moved kind of funny. I'm watching. There it goes. Should just be a little yellow bass. Yellow bass number 2. Oh, there's one. Another yellow. Guys, look, the way he ate that jig. It's not in his throat, but it's there. Getting a bite. Ooh, I felt that. Go and take it. Is it still there? Yep, it's still there. Another yellow bass. It's a good size one. Oh, come on. We got something else. Another yellow bass. They're getting bigger. Hey guys, so I just want y'all to see the final catch of the night. I didn't get to record this earlier because it was pitch black, but we got us an 11.5-inch crappie. So nice catch, and it was a really fun time. So guys, it was a nice night of fishing. I caught 5 yellow bass in that crappie. Some stuff didn't get recorded because it was so dark, but my father-in-law, he caught a couple skipjack and a yellow bass. So it was a good night of fishing, like I said. Bass and crappie were definitely biting. It was a good time. Well guys, if y'all are enjoying the content, that subscribe button is red. Make sure it's gray so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. This is Caleb with Caleb Sketches reminding you, we're here to teach the world to fish, one cast at a time.